Salamat sa mga solid supporters natin dyan. Thank you sa inyo. And God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner, Jonil Lastimosa. First round, judges will be Oliver Garcia, Alfredo Romsol, and Antonio Grandes Cablazo. Third in the ring referee, Sammy Bernabé. Ladies and gentlemen, the time 1 minute and 44 seconds in the first round. As referee Top Dawson stops the fight. Winner by knockout, Jonil Lastimosa.
Bakbakan sa San Andre.
In the blue corner, wearing black and white and weighing 106 pounds with a professional record of 2 wins, 1 win coming by way of knockout, no defeat, and 1 bout even. From Glenford Boxing Gym of Taguig City, ladies and gentlemen, Johnny Lastimosa. And he's opponent across the ring, fighting out the red corner, wearing black with orange strip, also weighing 106 pounds, with a professional record of 6 wins, 2 wins coming by way of knockout, with 5 defeat and 3 bouts even. From the Northern Boxing Gym of St. Peter, Taguig City, ladies and gentlemen, Ramsey.
Yeah, per straight din.
Para mga galawang basic bangkiris. Kaya talaga galaw ni Pete.
Right, sini bala. Ladies and gentlemen, referee Kaloy Baloyan starts the fight at 1 minute and 14 seconds of round number 1. We have a winner by
sina Jerome Tumelday, Elmer Postillas at Antonio Comia at ang ikatlong tao sa loob sa asul na kanto na nakasuot na itim. Opisyal na timba, 108.4 pounds. Ang kanyang record, 4 na panalo, wala pang talo. 2 sa kanyang panalo ay knockout at may 2 tabla. Mula sa Glenford Boxing Gym na pagmamayari ni Glenford Rama, mga kababayan, nandito na si Junel Lastimosa! At ang kanyang kalaban mula sa pulang kanto na may suot na itim at asul. Siya ay may malinis na kartada na may 3 panalo at hindi pa natatalo. Mula sa Arcillas Boxing Gym, Delpan, Tondo, Manila, nandito na ating palakpakan, Jeremy Palino!
Nice! Wow! Oh, nice! Nice! Wow! Nice one! Nice one! Nice one, Dan! Nice one! Nice one! Oh, panalo! Woo! Nice one!
Grabe yun. Last 10 seconds na.
Nice! Wow! Oh! Nice one! Nice one! Nice one! Nice one, Dan! Nice one! Nice one! Oh, panalo! Woo! Nice one!
Grabe yun. Last 10 seconds na.
Nakatalo kay Ramsey, ikaw.
Body shot din yan. Body shot na rin. Salamat sa mga solid supporters natin dyan. Thank you sa inyo. And God bless.
I work all night, but I feel so calma.